Simply, Baloch culture is defined in terms of religious values, Balochi and Brahui language, literature, and traditional values of mutual respect. Folk music, handicraft, drama, embroidery, and folklores play a significant role in Baloch culture. Baloch celebrate their culture day every year. People from different villages get together to organize several types of cultural programs. Baloch culture has variety, but today I will confine myself only to Baloch dance with music or drum beating. Baloch and Brahui dance is performed in many occasions of joy, like marriages, after celebrating victories, in cultural shows. It is also performed by Baloch and Brahui students in different schools, colleges, and universities. During sports festivals, Balochi chap is performed with specific music notes with a peculiar rhythm in a circle dance. As I said that Baloch culture has a good variety, and in the same way, Balochi dance also slightly differs from place to place. The Baloch live in the Brahui speaking areas like Khuzdar, Surab, Kalat, Mastung, Saryab in Quetta, Noshki. They dance with the beat of drum differently than the dancers of other Baloch areas. Murri and Bukti tribes are the main Baloch tribes who live in the eastern part of Balochistan. They show their own specific way in Balochi chap. हमें माना घालती था जानी लटे तो तिशुदा अक्का थशाना पिरी अर्जी यार छाना पिरी खाली यती हंत दी तो In western Balochistan like Panjgur, Turbat and Gwadar, unlike the other parts of Balochistan, they display peculiar dancing methods motivated by music. In southern Punjab of Pakistan, also Baloch population exists, where their dance is called Jhumur. It shows the influence of Punjabi culture, which is the beautiful mixture, but dominated by Baloch culture. In Sindh province of Pakistan, especially in provincial capital city Karachi, big population of Baloches live. Their style of dance is unique, with special body movements, showing the touch of leva dance, originated in Africa. Women do not lag behind when it comes to talk about the exposure of enjoyment through dancing. In marriage ceremonies or other type of collective happiness, the women also do the Balochi job, fully observing the norms and values covering the term parda. Children of schools also follow their elders and they hold Balochi chop events at the end of each their academic year to release the stress of previous classes and showing their happiness to join new one. It's almost observed in culture of the world that people express their joys through their body movements, commonly known as dance. Baloch culture also offers the same idea, same purpose. Who did start it? When and how? It is difficult to say, and this difficulty shows that how old is the Baloch culture. It's also pertinent to mention that a great number of Balochs live in other countries like Iran, Afghanistan, and Oman. On their dancing, Persian, Afghani, and Arabic color is dominant. In this short video, I am unable to show their style of dancing.